In this video I'm gonna show you how to upload IGTV video on Instagram. It's very easy and simple process. To learn it, you have to watch the whole video. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected with the internet. After that, open your Instagram app. Then tap on the plus sign at the button middle. From here, you have to select your video. One thing you have to keep in your mind, the video must be longer than 1 minute. After selecting your 1 minute longer video, then tap on the arrow icon at the upper right corner. Here you get some effects. If you want, you can add some amazing effects on your video from here. After that, tap on the next button at the upper right corner. Here you have to do some important settings. First, you have to set a cover picture on this video. That means your video thumbnail. So, tap on cover. You can select a picture from your video, or you can add a picture from your mobile gallery. To select a photo from mobile gallery, tap on the Add from Gallery button and select a picture from your video. Drag it in your video timeline. After select a picture, then tap on Save. Now, you have to add a caption. After that, if you want, you can tag some people. You can add your location. Also, you can add your videos to a series. Add to series is like a playlist. Also, at the same time, you can share your video on Facebook by tap Share to Facebook button. Now tap on Share button. This video is being uploaded. This video has been uploaded. Here you can see my IGTV video. Following the same process, you can also upload your Instagram IGTV video. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you face any problem, then please comment. I will reply your comment as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the full video.